Hello everyone, how are you? Do you often feel stressed, overwhelmed? Do you want to feel relaxed, calm, and peaceful? Would you like to explore some new kind of relaxation techniques which are definitely not meditation or breathing exercise? If yes, then this video is just for you. Please stay with me till the end because I am going to tell you about 3 relaxation exercises that you can use on a regular basis. But before I dive into the topic, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification so that you receive notification every single time I post a new video. Let's assume you are driving a car at a very high speed. Now, all of a sudden, is it possible for you to stop? I don't think so. First, you have to slow down and then you would be able to halt. Why did I give you that example? Because that is what happens with our mind. Most of the time, when people are overactive, people who tend to overthink, for them it is very difficult to stop the thought process entirely and start meditating or concentrating on their own breathing. That is why today I am going to give you 3 relaxation techniques which are basically relaxation activities. So if you do that, in that case you would be able to slow down your mind. Maybe before doing any kind of breathing or meditation exercises, you should do this relaxation activities because that will help you to slow down, and if you do meditation exercises after that, it would be even fruitful. And if you are not able to do meditation or breathing exercise, even in that case, this kind of relaxation activities will help you to calm down. So let me now talk about the first technique. Remember your childhood days, how you used to feel when your parents used to give you crayon colors. You used to take out a notebook or a piece of paper and you used to start drawing, start coloring. It used to make you feel good. But even when you are adult, this technique, this drawing or coloring, it still makes you feel good. It calms down your brain. So next time you are overwhelmed or stressed, just take a piece of paper and start drawing or start coloring. In fact, there is a particular therapy called color therapy which is based on this concept. Also, there is a particular type of drawing which is called Zentangle. This particular art is called Zentangle, and if you start practicing that, which is basically repeating a pattern which can basically anyone can do. This will help you a lot to reduce your stress, to make you feel peaceful. Also, drawing is particularly effective because you are doing it with your hand and you need particular amount of concentration. So your mind needs to concentrate on drawing. Actually, we can think very fast, we can talk fast, but when we write, we can't do it really fast. You have to calm down. And that is why this simple technique, which every single person can do, is really effective. Now let me pronounce some words and see how you feel. Peace, beautiful, nature, tranquility, serenity, unflappable. You're feeling good, right? Because words have magical power. They are so powerful that they can make you feel good or make you feel bad. Hence, my second technique is affirmation. Affirmation is nothing but affirming yourself. You can choose some calming sentences and words. People often use it when they meditate, but you can use it even when you are not meditating. What I love using is that I take a piece of paper and start writing my affirmation. Why? Again, it helps you to calm down your mind because you need a particular amount of concentration when you are writing. So your mind can't overthink or mind can't think in that high speed. It has to slow down. And that is why this technique works. You can choose any sentences like I often write, nothing disturbs me. I am peaceful. I am calm. I am feeling good. If you start writing this for maybe you keep writing for 5 minutes, you yourself will notice a calm. The third technique, which is my favorite one, and that is massaging. Now, body massaging gives you a calming effect, but in our hectic schedule, maybe it's not possible to do it every single day. And that is why I would request you to do one thing every single day, and that is foot massaging. I massage my feet every single day just before going to sleep. It helps me a lot. In fact, it is a particular Ayurvedic technique. They say that it helps you to heal your body, but I can guarantee you it heals your mind as well. It makes you feel peaceful. And when you will wake up the next day, you will feel relaxed and you will be able to do more amount of work in less amount of time, which basically means you will become much more productive. So I would request you to please apply these techniques because it will help you to become peaceful. And now to remember my technique, I will use a particular word. What that word is? That word is mad. So that whenever you are feeling anxious, you can remember this particular word and the relaxation techniques I talked about. MAD. M for massaging, A for affirmation or writing affirmation, D for drawing or coloring. So next time when you will feel anxious, you feel like being mad, at that time don't be mad at anyone but use the technique MAD. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have enjoyed the video, please don't forget to share it with your friends and family. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so that you receive notification every single time I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching my video. Take care.